actually go back to just over 10 years ago, where Des von Teitman, who's a friend, now a co-founder in Bluebird, came to Tom, who's one of the other co-founders, myself, with a problem where he had basically a lead routing problem. He had a large real estate sales network, so had some fairly complex routing needs, and he knew that he wasn't going to get adoption within a sort of typical CRM. So real estate agents are external, they're independent, they have their own systems they're working with. They don't necessarily follow the rules of the lead generators. So in building the routing engine, which was a big part of it, then we realized that there was this adoption problem. And that we were going to have to build it in such a way that we would be able to capture feedback and route leads out to this external network without having them log into this system. And actually, in hindsight, I think that thinking was quite unique, because if you look at what was around at the time and still the way things are done in many cases, I think a lot of these software providers believe that if you build it, they will come. I'm certainly guilty of this. But anybody who works in any distributed sales network understands adoption is going to be a problem there. You can't force adoption on external sales agents. So I think we came to the realization back then that we were building much more than a routing engine. It was more of an engagement engine, really. So that's how it came to be.